everyone, it's Saucy and Towboat Chef. Yep, I got my winter gear on. That's part of it. It's been freezing on this boat. We were down to 28 degrees. And inside this boat, somebody had the AC on, and it was down to 59, 60 degrees in the galley with the oven on. It was still freezing in here. So I put on my stocking cap. Anyways, today's video, it's Bow Wow time. How to make dog biscuits. Trust me, it's real easy. Just a lot of time consuming in reference to rolling it out. But let's go on from here, and I'll show you the ingredients, and then I'll show you how I make it. Okay? Here we go, my furry friends and friends. Okay, the reason why these two are open, I've already got a batch in the oven. So, but let me tell you what, all the ingredients and how much. 2.5 cups of wheat flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, half a cup of natural pumpkin, and half a teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. That's all it is. So let's get to it, and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, now you know the drill. What I did was I just put everything in there. You just put everything in there, and then you just let it mix. So, I'm going to show you that everything's in there, and then we're going to set it to music. Hopefully I can find some song or music that is dog friendly. Alright, hold on. Okay, just know this before I get it started. It has to be mixed, and it looks very dry and crumbly. That's the way dog biscuits are. It's not moistened. It's not like a cookie dough. So that's what it has to look like. So here we go. Let's get started. As you see, it got all crumbly. I'm going to take it over here, and I'm going to show you how I roll it out. Trust me, you need muscles, and my arm is hurting so bad from this cold weather. Matter of fact, speaking of cold weather, check this video out right now that one of the guys just sent me, that during the night, this last night, this is what happened. Now you see why I'm freezing my ass off. But the snow didn't stick. So I missed out on our first snowfall. But right now it's just like sprinkling a little bit. It's going to turn to ice. It's that cold out there. So I'm hoping the guys be safe. So let's get to it now. I'm going to show you how I roll it out, cut it out, and pan it up. And I'm going to set some music to get into it. So I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, I have laid out some parchment paper. You gotta have the parchment paper for this. And you can tear off another one because that's going to go on top. Wait till you see how crumbly this is. And when you get it on this parchment paper, you're going to have to like push it all together with your hands, which which I'll show you here in just a second. Oh, you know what? You smell the pumpkin, you smell the peanut butter, but it smells like dog biscuits. But anyways, as you can see, I'm picking up all the loose pieces and getting it all together. This is very crumbly, it's very dry. This is what you want. You don't want it moist, because it'll take forever to cook and it will not turn out right. After you get it into a shape that you can easily mold with, so then you put it, as you'll see, I'll put that other parchment paper right on top. Then, after I get that all lined up just right, here comes the workout. And it's going to be done with a rolling pin. So let's get the music on and I'll show you from there. And trust me, it's a workout. Get it all rolled out, about a quarter of an inch thick. Take the top part off, stretch out that parchment paper underneath so it keeps it from shrinking up and cracking for when you go to cut it. Now also make sure you get a pan, put that top parchment paper on it, reuse it, and that's what you're going to cut the cookies on. So be right back and I'll show you the cookies. Here's the first batch. They have to be hard. Alright. This is my donut cutter. So here we go with the music again. about 35 minutes. So check it after 30 minutes. If they're crispy, they're done. Because they're supposed to be hard for them to chew on. Alright, so be right back. This is what I mean. Can you hear it? That's the way they're supposed to sound like. Because they're dog biscuits. They're not cookies, they're dog biscuits. But, believe it or not, humans can eat this. Because it's all natural. It just don't taste that good. Because it has no sugar in it at all. So if you want one, just maybe sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top of it. It'll taste good. Alright, be right back. Alright, I want to thank you all for watching this video. See, I don't just cater to the humans, I can cater to our furry friends as well. So, some of you, my furry friends, are going to get some of these. Now one whole pan will be going to Canada. Sorry if the others get smaller packages, but it takes more to send up there. So I'd rather send one large batch than 2 mailings when it's going to cost me a hell of a lot more money to send up there. Give those dogs a chance to have a little extra. But some of you may be getting some, and you'll know who when it arrives. Alright, if I don't get you this time around, I'll get you on the next time around. Alright, thank you all again for watching this video. If you're new to my channel and you want to see more of what I do, what I cook, what I share, click on that subscription button, click on that notification bell so you can be notified when I do post some videos. Unfortunately, if you're new to my channel, just to let you know when I'm out in the river, my videos are not as much as they are when I'm at home. Alright, because it's my service. Anyways, leave a comment, introduce yourself, and I will respond. Alright, and to my other loyal subscribers and my friends, I love you all, and thank